Hey, Justin from Goldpenguin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a reading time countdown widget little string at the top of your blog pages on your WordPress blogs. Adding this is really helpful to users that are reading if they want to see how long the content's going to take to read. If they're looking for a short article and your article happens to be long, it's generally just pretty good to have on your blogs. It's also, I don't really know if it's good for SEO, but I kind of like to add it just in case Google wants to see how long the article is, but that one could be completely false. But adding this is pretty easy in Breakdance. You could put it right above your content, which this is the content for the article, and then boom, it pops up right here. And it's really easy to do with a plugin. So what we're going to do is download the Readingtimewp WordPress plugin. It's on the plugin store and it's free. Once you add the plugin, go to settings and then reading time. In here we're going to have all of our options. There's a few ways that we could integrate it with our post, but honestly, you could kind of keep it as default and it'll still work. So on installing, it should work automatically if you go to your post page in your template. As long as you have your content of your blog here, this should work for you. So there shouldn't be any kind of extra things that you have to do in Breakdance, but once you're here, you can adjust the label that comes before reading time. You can have things in minutes or minute if there's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2. You could say min if you want to do like that, 2 minutes, whatever. And then words per minute. So this is really up to you. You could do 300, 250 to 300 I would say is recommended. I like to keep it on closer to 250 just to kind of overemphasize how long the article is in case someone just to kind of not, I don't know. I don't really know why, but I kind of like to do 250 instead of 300. And then if you have the reading time before the content and excerpt, then it should come up automatically. You also get to decide where you want it to be. I would recommend turning this off on pages and just keeping it on posts because your pages are probably going to have the content to your site, like the whatever services you're selling or the products that you're selling, but your blog is going to be different than the rest of that. So I would only display it on the posts. You don't really need it on any other pages on your website besides here. And it's also pretty accessible. It kind of just helps people out. So that's pretty much all you have to do. If it's not working, what you'll do is there's a reading time shortcode, which is amazing. So you could turn these options off where you want it to be displaying if it's not working, and then use the simple shortcode to add it to your page. So the way you're going to do this is on your page, you can see it kind of inserts it into the main text of the post content. There's a shortcode. So we're going to add a shortcode to the page, and then right in here we're going to paste that, and just like that, it's going to give you 2. So if you want to customize this more, you could move this text into like a div and then be like 2 minutes or reading time 2. But they also have in the plugin where if you want to customize all these options, you can do this. So yeah, I would recommend just using this simple shortcode if you want the full thing, and just like that, reading time 2 minutes, and you should be set. So if you are having any issues with this, having a shortcode is the easiest way to do it. Shortcode just kind of will insert whatever's supposed to be where it's got to be. So definitely this should work. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.